latest on the mysterious death of a lottery winner in Illinois, poisoned just after hitting the jackpot. A judge has now granted authorities permission to exhume his body next week. ABC's Alex Perez spoke to family members on both sides in this bitter battle over his estate. Good morning, Alex.
Well, good morning, Bianna. Urush Khan's family has spent the last few months desperately trying to figure out what happened to him. They're hoping the decision to exhume his body will finally get them some answers. For the first time, Urush Khan's family is speaking out about his mysterious death back in July, just one day after he claimed his $425,000 Lotto jackpot. This morning, his nephew says he knew something wasn't right.
After he won the lottery and the next day later he passes away, it's very awkward. It raises some eyebrows.
It turns out those concerns may have been warranted. The medical examiner initially ruled Khan died of natural causes. But after concerned siblings demanded more tests, authorities found a lethal amount of cyanide in his blood, turning this case into a homicide investigation.
When we found out there was cyanide in his blood after the extensive toxicology reports, somebody had to kill him.
So far, police have not named any suspects, but they did question Khan's widow, Shabana Ansari, for 4 hours.
But you can't even tell us a few words on camera?
Ansari, still working at the couple's dry cleaning business, declined to speak to ABC News on camera, but says the night before her husband died, she cooked a traditional Indian meal for him and says everything seemed okay.
Absolutely, positively, she had nothing to do with her husband's death.
Ansari is now locked in a legal battle with Khan's family over his estate. He didn't have a will, but he did have more than $1 million in lottery winnings and business holdings, all now at stake. Court documents also show his family doubted whether the couple was even legally married. As for Khan's death, authorities are now one step closer to learning what actually happened. A judge Friday approved an order to exhume his body for further testing. Authorities say Khan's body could be exhumed as early as Thursday, and of course family members say they'll be tracking every second of this investigation.